Ni hapit rami sa Unitap, nakabudol na po ng bata og gamay nga duwaan. Bring it back, Aaron. Sino magbayad niyan? We don't have money.
Who's gonna pay that?
Oh, who's gonna pay that? We don't have money. Nabudol na po ang iyang mama.
You want that
Gapon yung papa nabudol.
Let me see how much is this? Ay, naku po.
You choose one only, ah?
The price is
Expensive.
the other one.
The price is expensive.
Oh,
Buy can later.
you want this one? Okay, find another one.
How about this, Aaron? Hindi malaw.
You want
Aaron, how about this?
Let me see. It's not nice also.
Aaron, how about this?
Yes, Papa.
Oh, yes. Ayaw na. It's so expensive. Aaron na, ito. You want this?
This one's okay? Okay,
You want this, dali? Ito. Hindi siya kinahanog kumbain. How about this? Oh, wow. It's a mermaid. Ayaw din niya. Aaron! Dali, dali, come. Dali, dali, come. Dali. Oh. Oh. Ayaw din. Hmm? You want this one? How much is this? Oh no. You choose one only, ah? Choose one. Nagpabili ka na kahapon.
It's one, Papa?
This one?
Yes.
Oh, it's okay. Oh, give to mama.
Yes. I can buy some new.
Papili na siya. Asa tong yung sa kaduan?
Oh, you choose.
Choose.
Which one you want? You choose one, okay?
It's a bucket fruit.
What do you want?
This one or that fruit?
Fruit.
A fruit, okay. Put it back, ha?
Okay.
Okay. Let me see, how much is it?
It's like this
100 plus lang yan.
great thing.
Okay, you hold it.
Alay ka, ga. Ayun, nakabudol din. Mas mamahalin.
How much is that? Ikaw, bayaran mo na yung babayaran mo para mo.
Dito, pila. Kadalakaw na lang, makabudol. You love that?
Yeah.
Cement mixer?
Truck mixer.
Ay, truck mixer pala. How much is that?
But this is some soft, some great.
Dami yang napilian. Toys na gagmay, tapos fruit, ang ending, ato just mahalon. Bakal. Mga Unitap. Unitap, Das Marinas.